Finding the best prescription eyewear can sometimes be a challenge. However, today I want to share with you some of my new favorite glasses that I received from Firmoo. So let's get into it. For those of you that are new, my name is Jessie with Green Eyed Ambition. I am a corporate event planner as well as a business consultant. On this specific channel, I talk about all things that deal with the unsexy things about being an entrepreneur. So one of the things I often talk about is going to networking events, and I'm actually about to get ready to go to one, or I'm partially dressed right now. So I wanted to share with you some of the new eyeglasses that I ended up receiving from Firmoo. I have been a user of this brand for years. This is actually one of my old pairs that I've had for a long time because I love the fact that it's super easy to put on and they don't slip all over my face like some of my more expensive brands. And that's something to be very present to. Eyewear does not have to cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. On Firmoo's website, you can find some amazing styles that are under $30 and you can get them relatively quick. Each pair of eyeglasses comes with a really cool case that allows for you free to protect them. I love this, especially since I travel for business. I don't have to worry about if it's in my bag, about it getting squished. As well as every pair of glasses comes in this cloth case that allows for you to use this as an eyeglass cleaner. So I did get two pair that I wanted to be able to go into the fall season with. So let's show the first pair. I like the fact that it had the red frames. They're very, very lightweight. So if you're one of those people that don't like to wear heavy eyeglasses, this is going to be the perfect style for you. I will make sure to place the actual code here so that you know exactly what style number. All right, so now let's put these. Ooh, I like these. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I thought like I wanted to have something that's red, but not so distracting because of course I don't wear red all the time. So I like red just as a bold color. Usually I have on red lipstick, so I thought that these pair would be perfect. And when I tell you that these are super lightweight, they are super lightweight, which means I can keep them on all day. I have some other pairs that are so bulky. People always ask me about them and they love the style. However, I have to take them off halfway through the day because I have so much pressure on my temples. Those of you that have big heads, just like I feel like I have a big head, you know what I mean, because you get the tension pressure on your nose as well as on the side of your face. With these, you do not have to worry about that. So I love these. So let's get into the second pair. Okay, so the second pair comes in a little bit of a different case and it has the brand on it as well. And I'll make sure to put in the caption a coupon code that you can use to be able to save money on your first pair. And the second pair that I have, they have a little bit more of a bolder look to it. So let's look. Oh, I think I'm going to wear these today. All right, let me take these ones off and put these on. And like I said, super lightweight, y'all. And those of us that are lifelong eyeglass wearers, we know a good frame is all that we need so that we wear them. All right, so, oh, oh yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to decide on which ones I want to wear specifically for today. But this one, again, it's a turquoise, a tortoise shell. You can actually, let me see if you can see. Yeah, there you go. So it's a tortoise shell. I don't know. Today I have to decide which one I want to wear, but I wanted two distinct different looks specifically for the fall season. And again, those of us that have larger heads, I have the wide because you'll see on their website you have the ability to decide on what frames. I always do wide because I have a wider face. I am 6 feet tall. I am not short. So I have to have glasses that fit my face. So I usually do wide frames. So the great thing about their website, it allows for you to select like based off of the frame. If you're looking for more bold, if you're looking for wide frame, if you're looking for specific colors, it makes it super easy for you to check out. So I'll make sure again to put the promo code so that you're able to look at it and let me know which one of these are your favorite looks. And I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you later. Peace.